So we're about to cook this customer favorite recipe, orange baked salmon with colorful couscous. So as you can see, lots of colors, lots of good things for you on a plate. Extremely beautiful, healthy, tasty, and Instagrammable. So let's get started. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius and use the fan functionality if you have it. Portion the salmon. Add the salmon fillet to a baking dish, skin side down. Sprinkle with salt and pepper and drizzle with a little bit of olive oil. Juice half of the oranges and slice the remaining oranges into thin rounds or into half moons. Pour the juice over the fish and arrange the slices on top. Set aside. Peel and finely chop the shallots. Rinse the cherry tomatoes and cut them in half. Then peel and finely chop the carrots. Boil the measured water and dissolve the stock cube in it. Bake the orange salmon in the preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes until the fish is cooked, but still juicy and slightly pink in the middle. Heat a pan or a pot over medium heat with a drizzle of olive oil. Add the shallots and carrots and fry with a pinch of salt for 5 minutes. Then add the stock and bring to a boil. Once boiling, add the couscous, cherry tomatoes, green peas, golden raisins, and a good pinch of black pepper. Remove from the heat and cover with a lid. Set aside for 5 minutes until the water is absorbed. Before serving, fluff with a fork. Divide the salmon and the couscous among plates and serve immediately. Enjoy! So we've just prepared this beautiful recipe, lots of colors. At least for me, it makes me very happy to see so many colors. I know then that I'm eating something nutritious, something that has vitamins, something that is good for me and healthy. So now if you want to see all the pro tips and the tips for fussy eaters that we also include on the recipe cards, you can find the recipe card on the links below. But for now, I'm just going to try this dish and take a big spoon because I'm hungry.